guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while, it has been a minute. I've been away for a minute, but you know, I just took some time to travel, to do me, to see places, to kind of enjoy life instead of being stuck behind a computer screen, behind my MacBook, you know, just to see the outdoors. I mean, you know, life is worth living. So I'm back. I'm gonna try and do some more videos more regularly, and today is Boxy Charm. My post lady just dropped this off and I'm quite excited to see what's in it, as well as I'm kind of nervous to see what's inside. This is the July box, and we did get some sneak peeks and teasers about what could be in your box, and I kind of had some hopes about what I would get. I really want to get that pharmacy mask, so I'm kind of nervous to open it to see what's inside. So we're gonna go through this together. We're gonna hold each other's hand and see what is in this box. Oh, and by the way guys, they're doing construction on my building, so you may hear once or twice something sounding like a jackhammer. Please don't pay much attention to it. Hopefully it's not loud enough for it to create a problem. Oh man, I did not get the Pharmacy Beauty mask. Anyway, let's see what's inside this month's box. I was really hoping to get that Pharmacy Beauty mask, but anyhow, let's dig into this box and see what's in there. At least I got the Crown Pro palette, which I was hoping to get. And this month's theme is Road Tripping. Isn't that cool? Well, for me it looks cool. The sun rays. We've been having some kind of depressing weather, so I'm glad to see the sun. I'm glad to see sunshine, sunlight, and not just these dark clouds outside all the time. Anyhow, road tripping for July. Ooh, my matte black nails. And I'm a sucker for square nails. I can't do those coffin or almond shaped nails, but my matte black nails, I think it's the first time I've done the matte black, and I kind of like it with the accent nail, with my white accent nail. Anyhow, the Boxy Charm, Road Tripping. So this month we have how many products? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. 5 full-size products this month. And let's go through one by one. What do we have in this month's box? So the first one is a Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. So I got this one instead of the Pharmacy Beauty. So the option would have been to get the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage, Needles No More Baggage, ID Puffing Gel, or to get the Pharmacy Beauty mask. And I don't really have problems with puffy eyes, so that's why I was kind of hoping to get the Pharmacy Beauty mask. But anyhow, I'll get it at Sephora. I was kind of holding out not getting it from Sephora because I knew it was going to be in this month's box, or could have been. Anyhow, this one is $42 as a retail value, as you see here. Anyhow, this one is claiming that it guarantees to visibly reduce under eye bags and dark circles. I don't really have under eye bags, but I do have dark circles, so we'll see if this really works for the dark circles. All of these eye creams and eye masks and eye serums always claim to do the most in terms of dark circles, but then when you try them out, they really don't do anything, or don't do anything significant. So I'm gonna give this a try, considering it says that it does help for dark circles, and see if it works. And as I said before, the MSRP, or the retail value for this, is $42. Let me put this to the side. And the next one in the box is this Crown Brush Fuego eyeshadow palette, or eyeshadow well, it's not a collection, we got a palette, and this one is a retail value of $29.99, and it has warm tone shades, and it's supposed to be creamy, high pigmented, and 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades. So let's see what it looks like inside. Do I need my scissors for this? Oh, it's not that bad. And let's see what's on the back while I'm here. So it does have talc, and it does have mica in there. So anybody that has any kind of talc sensitivity, it does also have mineral oil. So just pay attention to these ingredients. If any of these things may affect you, just be on the lookout. And the net weight is 0.71 ounces. So that's the total net weight is 0.71 ounces. Alright, so let's see. So it comes with a mirror, and these are the shades that come inside this palette. So let me swatch them out just to see. So let me start from the top. On the left side, they are very creamy, or very silky, I should say. So this is what it looks like. These are the shades. They don't have any names on them, but okay, it's a warm tone palette. So let's do some swatches and see. Ooh. So this is matte, and it did not come off quite good. I don't have any primer on my hand, so it's kind of a good test. So this is what it looks like. So you can see the shimmer shades really come out real good. How many matte shades did it say? It has 6 matte shades and 4 shimmer shades. So these 2 shimmer shades really came out really nicely. I'm not sure if this is considered a matte shade or not. See, the thing is, it doesn't have the names on it, so I'm not sure. I'll put a note, because I'm going to do some research on the website just to see which ones are the matte shades and which ones are the shimmer shades. But for sure, you can see that this is a matte shade which barely shows up on my hand, and this is a matte shade which barely shows up too. So the mattes don't perform all that great, at least based on what I see here. So let's move on to the second row of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. So let's move on to the second row. Alright, so second row, let's see what it looks like. So let's swatch and see what it looks like. That came out quite good. That's this one is supposed to be this shade, so that's a little bit weird because I would have expected it to be darker. So this shade that you can barely see is supposed to be this deep brown. That's weird. Anyhow, the next one, which is this one, which has no name. Like I said, the palette doesn't show the names, but if I go on the website and I see the names, then I put them on the screen. This one came up pretty good, which is supposed to be a matte shade, and remember, I don't have any primer on my hand, so at least it gives a good idea of how much pigment you get with the least effort. So that came up pretty good. Next one is this brown shade, which is more like a blending shade for me. Didn't come out too great. And then the last one, which is a shimmer shade, and that came out really good. So the shimmer shades perform real good, but those matte shades aren't so great. This is the best performing matte shade based on the swatches that I've just done. So you do have to do some amount of work with these matte shades. You do have to put your primer on, and you might have to keep on blending, building so that you get the amount of pigment that you wish to have. So let's move on to the next item in the box. So the next one is a Wonder Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara, and this has an MSRP of $24. And what does this claim to do? It's supposed to be an award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara. I'm not a fan of mascaras that are glossy. Will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. The Unlashed mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. Now, I know that Wonder Beauty is supposed to be one of those more natural skincare and makeup brands. So this is what the wand looks like, which I do like how the wand looks. This is the kind of one that I like. So I'm very hopeful for this mascara. I hope it doesn't bleed. I hope it doesn't ash. I hope it doesn't flake. I hope it doesn't do any kind of, silly things that we don't like about mascara. So this is made in the USA. But I do believe Wonder Beauty is one of those cleaner, cruelty-free brands. Next in the box is the Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blush. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, it's a nice shade, but for a blush it's not going to be all that great for my skin tone, or maybe it is. I'll try it out and see. This has a retail value of $11.99. And the last item on the list is this Chella Beauty Eyebrow Cream, and this has a retail value of $26. BoxyCharm has been notorious for sending eyebrow products that aren't so great for people of color. Let's hope that this time it is promising or it works out well, because the shade that I can see in here looks as if it may work for lots of people of dark skin tone, but let's see. I mean, you know, I've never really had much luck with the BoxyCharm eyebrow products before. Fortunately for me, I do have thick, nice, healthy brows, so I don't really need to use brow products, and I don't typically do. But I'm gonna give this a try and see. It does look waxy. It does look like it has that kind of waxy consistency, like a brow pomade maybe, but let's see how it goes. I mean, you know, it's always a shade that is not really friendly for people of my skin color, but you know, let's see. So that's it. That's what's in this month's box, Road Tripping. Leave a comment below and let me know what you guys got in your box, if you got the Pharmacy Beauty mask, and if you've tried it, if you've used it, and how you feel about it. So let me know, guys, what you got in your box and if you're enjoying your box, and I'll see you in my next video, which hopefully will not be as long as the last break. So take care, guys. See you soon.